Triumph is setting its sights on dominating the middleweight sports touring segment with the introduction of the new Tiger Sport 800. This model promises to deliver a blend of enhanced power and torque compared to the outgoing 850, while matching the output of the previous Tiger 1050 Sport. At its heart lies a flat-plane 798cc triple-cylinder engine, generating an impressive 113 brake horsepower at 10,500 rpm and 62 pound-feet of torque at 8,500 rpm. However, Triumph emphasizes that this bike isn't just about impressive specs. The focus is on real-world performance, with 90% of the engine's peak torque available throughout the mid-range. Notably, the new power plant shares some hardware with the 765cc engine, including a similar 78mm bore. Despite this, the 800 features a longer stroke of 55.7mm and several distinct characteristics, making it more than just an enlarged street triple engine. Triumph has successfully integrated this robust 800 triple into the well-regarded chassis of the Tiger Sport 660, maintaining similar dimensions. This results in a comfortable 835mm seat height, ensuring the Tiger remains accessible for a broad range of riders. While the frame and swingarm are carried over, the Tiger Sport 800 benefits from upgraded suspension components. A premium Showa setup offers 150mm of travel at both the front and rear, with fully adjustable 41mm upside-down forks and a rear monoshock featuring rebound damping and a remote hydraulic preload adjuster, perfect for accommodating a passenger or extra luggage. Braking performance is robust, featuring radial-mounted 4-piston front calipers gripping 310mm twin discs, paired with a single-piston rear caliper and a 255mm disc. This setup helps keep the Tiger's weight manageable at 214 kilograms. The Tiger Sport 800 is positioned as a dedicated road-focused sports tourer, crafted for long-distance rides for both the rider and the passenger. Unlike its Tiger 900 and 1200 siblings, this model has no off-road aspirations, riding on 17-inch wheels shod with Michelin Road 5 tires. Comfort is prioritized with upright ergonomics, a spacious seating position, and a large, easily adjustable windscreen, along with standard air deflectors for added protection against the elements. With a claimed fuel economy exceeding 60 miles per gallon, the Tiger's 18.6-liter tank can provide an impressive range of nearly 250 miles on a full tank. For those looking to customize their ride, Triumph offers over 40 accessories, including an Akrapovic slip-on exhaust, heated grips, and a comprehensive luggage system featuring integrated panniers and a spacious top box capable of holding 2 full-face helmets. The bike is equipped with a 6-axis IMU that provides cornering-optimized ABS and traction control. Riders can select from 3 riding modes: road, rain, and sport, which adjust throttle response and electronic intervention based on conditions. Standard features also include cruise control and a bidirectional quickshifter, alongside a TFT display that integrates with the My Triumph connectivity system for phone pairing, turn-by-turn navigation, and music control via Bluetooth. The Tiger Sport 800 comes with a starting price of £10,995, with a choice of 4 colors: sapphire black, with optional colors like graphite, cosmic yellow, and Caspian blue available for an extra cost.